Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data with Intuit, full guide step by step clearly. To begin transferring data with Intuit, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open the Intuit application you wish to use. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the Settings or Tools menu within the application. Look for the option labeled Import-Export or Data Transfer. Select the type of data you want to transfer, such as customers, vendors, or transactions. If prompted, choose whether to import or export the data. For exporting, select the format you prefer, commonly CSV or Excel. Choose the specific data you wish to include in the export. For importing, access the file you wish to upload and ensure it is in the correct format. Follow the on-screen prompts to locate and select your data file. Review any mapping fields to ensure the data aligns correctly with Intuit's requirements. Click on the Import or Export button to initiate the transfer process. Wait for the confirmation message that indicates the data transfer is complete. Check the application to verify that all data has been imported or exported correctly. If you encounter any errors, refer to the troubleshooting guide available in the Help section. For future transfers, consider saving your settings for convenience. Finally, always back up your data before initiating any transfer to prevent data loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.